Hi! Well, nasa Victoria Court tayo. And this time, we're gonna check the Star Wars room. Okay, come in, guys. Okay, first thing you'll see, meron kagad, syempre, diba? Meron tayong Star Wars dyan. And we have different kinds of mga baril-baril nila. And meron tayong mga costumes na pwede nating hirame, isuot for picture taking. Okay, and the highlight is, look at the room. It's so big. It's actually 100 square meters. It costs around 12,000 for 5 hours. So, as you can see, meron mga savers. And also, let's go in. Madami pa. As you can see, ito. Okay. Grabe, imagine yung jacuzzi. Look at the jacuzzi. Actually, it goes up. Grabe. The shower and the bath. Meron pa yan kanina na effect na mga parang tipong smoke. So, no. And, ang cockpit, it moves. So, pwede natin, pwedeng gamitin. It goes up and down daw. So, Miss Tanya, am I right? It's cost around 12,000 for 5 hours?
The prices are, yes, around that price. And the features of the jacuzzi is my favorite. Have you seen this?
Yeah.
It's going up and
It's
down.
going up and down actually. Kanina,
Why don't you ride?
Yeah. Mamaya, try namin.
Try namin. Go.
So, yan. Okay, guys. See, it's actually moves. So, the best. Okay? Moves up and down. Hindi siya props lang, ano. You can actually use it. Everything here you can use. Magagamit mo siya. Picture taking and everything. Okay, let's go to the room. Here you go. Okay, this is the room. Actually, medyo madilim siya. Meron bang lights? Lights, please. Okay, ito yung room. Kanina, kung naka-turn off yung lights, makikita mo talaga marami siyang stars. So, as if tipong nandun ka sa sky. At kayo nakasakay sa cockpit. So, this is the bedroom. Okay, to-turn off natin yung lights para makita natin kung yung highlights nung pagdidim niya. Okay, guys, see? So, it's the stars! It's the stars! Okay? So, let's come in. Pasok tayo sa cockpit. Ito yung cockpit. Okay, cockpit here. It moves. There are lots of lights. Lahat ng lights controllable. So, okay, guys? As you can see, for only 12,000, 5 hours, 100 square meter, you can party all night long. Babush!